Want to track your skin temperature while you sleep with no extra apps or effort? Your Galaxy Watch 6 can do it automatically, and you can turn it on right from the Galaxy Wearable app on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Here's how to enable it. First, open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. To do so, go to the app screen, find Wearable app, and then tap it. Tap Watch Setting. Next, tap Health. Under Measurement section, tap Sleep. Here, look for the option called Skin Temperature during sleep and make sure the toggle is turned on. With the setting, you don't need to do anything else, just wear your Galaxy Watch to bed and it will track your temperature during sleep. Given the function, this feature helps you better understand changes in your body, better aids recovery, early sign of illness, or tracking your cycle. It's a hands-free way to make your watch smarter while you rest. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.